Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make beef noodles at home. We will begin by gathering all necessary ingredients, such as your preferred cut of beef, noodles, and fresh aromatics. Next, we will prepare the beef by slicing it thinly and marinating it for at least 30 minutes to ensure maximum tenderness and flavor. Finally, we will cook the noodles to a perfect al dente texture, setting the stage for a truly delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. First, quickly sear your marinated beef in a very hot wok or large pan to lock in those juices. Then, add your aromatic vegetables, like minced garlic and fresh ginger, and cook them until they release their wonderful fragrance. Next, pour in about 4 cups of rich beef broth and your favorite seasonings. Let this simmer for at least 20 minutes to create a deeply flavorful soup base. With our beef and broth simmering beautifully, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully drain your perfectly cooked noodles and distribute them evenly into 4 serving bowls. Next, generously ladle the hot, aromatic beef and broth mixture over the noodles, ensuring each bowl gets plenty of tender beef. For a final flourish, garnish with fresh cilantro and thinly sliced green onions, perhaps adding a dash of chili oil for a little kick. And there, you have it, a truly delicious and satisfying bowl of homemade beef noodles, ready in under 1 hour. This easy method is perfect for a weeknight dinner or a cozy weekend meal. Remember, you can always adjust the spice levels and ingredients to perfectly match your personal taste. Enjoy the wonderful flavors you've created and feel proud of making such a fantastic dish right in your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.